Hello YouTube. Here's a brief review of a Reed Model 203R Machinist Bench Vise. The dimensions we have here are 3 inches here, about 8 inches that way, and overall about a foot. It's a swivel base vise, and it has an offset pattern for mounting, where it has a 4-contact mount on the swivel base. The usable opening length is, let's see here, about 4 inches. It's extremely heavy duty for a small vise. And this one appears to have very little use to it. Probably because it is a smaller vise. It wasn't used for heavy capacity type of work. Now this one does read that it was made by Reed Manufacturing Company, Erie, Pennsylvania, USA. So that says where it's made. As far as when, I'm not sure. It's not currently mounted on the bench, so I do have some larger models being used, but I would have no problem using this one if I needed to do some small scale work. If anyone has any idea about when this was made, please leave that information in the comments. Thank you.